this is the past couple of years that I had started drinking malt. I mean, but just, 2 drinks just to enjoy the taste. I love malt. And when I met Moksha, he came up with this idea, and because he knew I was a malt drinker also, and he said, "Why don't we start this?" I said, "Why not? If we can find something nice." And I was in Scotland, and he got some samples made, and then we tested a few samples, and some of them were really fabulous, and we locked on those. And that's how the Gone journey started.
So Glen Journey is it's more about, how our legacy is all about craftsmanship. It's about friendship. If you see, single malt is taken as more as a serious drink. We've kind of got it into different blends, different casks, which is very new to India. It's been there in the West for a while, but no one in India is really looking at it the way we thought of it. So I think we've kind of leading our own path, and that's how we'll be creating a different journey for ourselves. What we've done is we've got the best of 2 worlds. The new generation, we've given them what they need to really, when you upgrade a person from a whiskey drinker to a single malt, they're always hesitant that why, because we've finished in different finishes. That's going to really drive the younger generation to try the single malt. Whereas we've also kept keeping in mind the serious consumers. We have our signature 21-year-old Pioneer Edition, which is here to stay. This is always going to continue creating different barrels and different blends. So our global expansion has already started.
We started with it. Actually.
Yeah, we initiated with Dubai, with UAE, and then we've come to India. So
actually, we tested it there, and we had a fabulous response.
Yeah.
So now we
were almost sold out abroad, and hence we've come to India now with the blend and the 21-year-old itself. But yeah, for us, our next is Europe and Asia for sure. And then I said we will be global.